There is a new organization, another youth organization that's just started up. It's called Babe Ruth League Philippines. I'm a part of it, as well as some other people, but because we're trying to elevate and grow the game of baseball at the grassroots level. And our first tournament is going to be in Mindanao, November 15th to the 17th. Our commissioner is Ken De Vera Landicho. She is the aunt of Egon De Vera. So we have a lot of baseball people getting involved. And again, we're not competing against Little League or Pony. We're kind of enhancing and being a part of the grassroots program. So I just wanted to get that back.
Yes. Okay. So thank you so much, Chito. Please, again, your invitation and your message to all our friends, those enthusiasts of this sport, baseball. Please.
Okay. Well, again, first of all, thank you to the Philippine Sports Writers Association, for inviting us here at your forum. It's an honor to be back and see you guys again. Sa mga nakikinig sa amin at sumusubaybay sa atin ngayon, lalo-lalo pa sa online, ang liga natin mag-uumpisa mula 28th of October hanggang November 3. So, nandun kami sa villages, sa Clark, sa CGC, Valley Clark Development Corp. At doon yung makikita yung ating Philippine team sa East Asia Cup Tournament, kalaban ng mga countries na taga Hong Kong, Indonesia, Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia, and Cambodia. So on that note, maraming salamat at hope to see all of you there. And again, I promise everyone, if you cannot come here because of whatever reason you may have, you will definitely see us online and makakapagsubaybay din kayo sa mga laro ng national team. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, sirs. Mabuhay po kayo, mabuhay Team Philippines. We will have a short break for the second and final part of today's PSA Sports Forum. Thank you.